Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Chrome update problem on Android or how to fix can't install Google Chrome on Android from Play Store. So here follow the steps. Open settings, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on app management. Here search for Google Play Store and tap on it. Then tap on storage usage and then click on clear cache. Go back. Now here search for Google Play services and tap on it. Tap on storage usage, tap on clear cache. Now go back. After this, restart your device, and after your device restarts, you can check Chrome update problem is fixed or not. If still your problem is not fixed, then you have to update your device. So open settings, scroll down, click on system and update, then click on software update, and if you find any updates for your Android device, then download and install them, and then restart your device once again, and then you can check the Chrome update problem is fixed or not, or can't install Google Chrome from Play Store problem is fixed or not. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.